Hi guys, in this video I'll explain you the working of a new version of the app Libra horoscope. This version was released yesterday. We have done a lot of UI customization changes and also we have added new features. On top left corner there is a button, click on that, go to the first feature, daily horoscope. This is the today's horoscope by default. You can swipe left and right for tomorrow horoscope, weekly horoscope, monthly horoscope and also yearly horoscope we have in this. There is a font change button. You can reduce or increase the size. On top there is a share button. You can share this horoscope with your friends on WhatsApp or you can also post it on Facebook like this. The next feature is love horoscope. This is a special horoscope which deals with love or relationship life. Here also we have today, yesterday, tomorrow. In this weekly, monthly and yearly horoscope, we have separate sections for singles and couples, which I think is a great option. You can also change the font here. You can share the horoscope same way with your friends. Third feature is zodiac reading. This is a basic zodiac profile for the person having Libra as the zodiac sign. This will tell you how the person is, how is his personality traits, or what are his hobbies. This is a basic profile reading for the person. It's a nice information to have. This also you can share. The next feature is sign compatibility. You can compare your sign with your partner's zodiac sign and see how compatible you are with your partner. This is a compatibility report in terms of love and relationships. Let's say Leo is your partner's zodiac sign. Click on compare. This will calculate and give you the compatibility report. Just go through it. It's a very nice information to have. It will help you a lot to improve the relationship or change what is if something is going wrong. This also you can share with your partner maybe. The last feature is child astrology. This is a special zodiac profile for children, and this will tell you what might be the characteristics of your child, what might be his or her hobbies, what he or she might be good at in the future. Depending on that, you can choose a career path for your child. It's a nice information also. I think this is one of the best zodiac app, frankly speaking, because not only it has good looks and features, lot of customizations here in settings, but it has also lot of information and data in this app. You can change the theme. Click on app theme. There are 8 themes we have added in this update. You can change the theme. You can change the font. We have added 8 new fonts. You can change the font color also, depending on what color you like. You can change the header color. Header meaning on top settings there is a bar which color you can change here like this. Also, if you don't like any settings, just click on reset to default and it will reset the settings to default settings, default theme, default font, etc. Show notification. We have a notification set at 8 a.m. every morning, which will remind you to see your horoscope. If you don't like it, don't want it to disturb you, just disable it. I suggest you keep it enabled so that when you get up in the morning you can check your horoscope and you can plan your day accordingly. That's it. The next 2 small things are, one is more apps, which will take you to the Play Store URL where we have more apps for other signs also, and there is a rate me button. Last but not the least, if you like the app, give us good comments and suggestions, give us good ratings, write in anything if you want, like new features to be added. We will try to add it in the next update. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.